A very good morning, dear students. In today's session, we are going to start with the chapter 3, that is HTML markup language. So, before discussing the whole chapter, I'll discuss some key points that can be generally asked in 1 mark question also. Very first thing, what do you mean by HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. If anybody asks when it was developed, HTML was developed in 1991 by Tim Berners-Lee. It was developed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991. HTML is a platform independent language. Mean to say, it is not fixed that it will work on Windows, it will work on Linux. It can work on any platform. It is a platform independent language. And one more thing, HTML is a case insensitive language. Case insensitive means you can write the code in small letter, either you can write the code in caps letter. Both are accepted by HTML programming language. And when HTML came in market first time in 1991, there were total 18 tags that were included in HTML. How many tags were included? Total 18 tags were included when HTML first time came in market. Next is, which one is the latest version that is used by the user? The latest version of HTML is 5.2 that was launched in 2017 on 14th December. It was launched on 14th December, that is having latest version HTML 5.2. What is the use of container tag, or what is the meaning? Container tag always start and end. It is the feature of container tag. It will start also, it will end also. Like see in the example, HTML is getting start and HTML is getting close. And always container tag is also known as paired tag. Next is empty tag. Empty tag is that tag which is started only, we need not to close. It is only a singular tag. It is called singular tag, while container tag is also known as pair tag. These key points will work in 1 mark question also. HTML editors are used to create web pages. What is the use of HTML editor? These are used to create the web pages. And two HTML editor, if anybody asks you, give any example of two HTML editor. So these are WYSI, WYG and text editor. And one more thing, what is the background color of HTML web page? By default, the background color of HTML web page, it is white. Without doing any setting, it will display the white color background. And where is Notepad located? It means we are writing the program in Notepad for HTML. So how we will open the Notepad? Notepad is under accessories option. And how we can save the HTML program? HTML program can be saved by using two extensions. We can write .htm and .html. We can write any extension like abc.htm or abc.html. And background color overrides the BG color. It means if we have applied two properties, background and BG color, in that case background color will be displayed, BG color will be hidden. And background color automatically adjust on full screen. It is known as filling. If anybody asks you what is the meaning of filling, filling means to say adjustment of color on full screen, that is background color. A-link and V-link. The full form of A-link is active link and the full form of V-link is visited link. Most important part for practical point of view also. And link, A-link and V-link are the attributes of which tag? These are the attributes under body tag. And the full form of href, the full form of href is hyper reference. All these terms will be covered in this chapter. I have find out some important points that I am discussing in starting. Afterward I will start full chapter. And hyperlinking attribute of anchor tag is A. How we will do the hyperlinking? By using the anchor tag. Anchor tag means A. And attributes always written after tag name. And metadata gives the information about other data. That is always written in head tag. Where metadata is always written in head tag. It provides the information about other data that is always written in head tag. And by default browser use which type of font type it will use, that is Times New Roman for heading. And justify alignment is not supported by any browser. Justify alignment is not supported by any browser. And in HTML there is no attribute for right or bottom margin. We can't adjust the bottom and right margin in case of HTML program. Top margin and left margin are the attribute of body tag. We can adjust top margin and left margin. And BR tag cannot be used for paragraph break. It can be used for line break only. And HR tag is used for section break. And comments never displayed on browser output. Now we will discuss this chapter by using some programs. First of all, some basic terms are given. What do you mean by tag? Tag define every on a HTML program. Every structure that is defined on a HTML program is known as tag. Element. What is element? The content placed in between of start and end is known as element. Like we are writing HTML. HTML is a element that is written in opening and closing bracket. What do you mean by attribute? Attribute provide the additional information in a start tag. It is in start tag, it provides the additional information. And what is value? That is given to a attribute, and a value can be written after equal to symbol. A value is always written after equal to symbol, like VG color equal to red. This is the basic structure of HTML program. HTML is the main heading. In HTML we will start head tag. In head tag we will start title tag. In title, firstly we will close head tag. Afterward body tag will start. In body tag we will write the all attributes whatsoever we want to write. Afterward HTML tag will be closed. After body tag, HTML tag will be closed. Next is how to create and view a HTML program. To create and view of an HTML program, how we will do? Let's see this example, how we will do the create and view in HTML program. To create and view a new HTML document, this step will be followed. Step 1. Step 1, you have to type the code in Notepad. You have to write the program in Notepad. After writing the program in Notepad, you have to save the Notepad code by using .html. Like I have write the code in Notepad. Afterward, I am saving the Notepad program. Like I have saved with name 2.html. .html will present the extension and 2 is the name of program. I can also write 2.htm. It will also work. And after step 3 is open the same program in browser window. So according to the program, see now in title I have written my first web page. In body I have written this is my first video lecture about HTML. So the output will be, it will be the title, it will be the body tag. See now, the title is my first web page and the output is this is my first video lecture about HTML. So this is basic program, first program about HTML. Next is body tag attributes. We are having a number of attributes like to the a link. A link represents, I have already told, it is active link of a program. Link is the basic link that will specify the color in a document. Body v-link. V-link is called a visited link. After click, which color will show? We will understand through this program. Background is the background of your picture, background of your window. It will always be displayed in an image format. And BG color, it is the background color. Out of BG color and background, by default the background will be displayed. And body text color will be written in which color text is written, and what is the top margin and what is the left margin. So these all are the attribute of body tag: a link, link, v link, background, BG color, text, top margin and left margin. These all are the attribute of body tag. Let's do one program. So see now, HTML head, in title I have written the title of program. See in body, In body I have written body bg color equal to green. This is first attribute. Background color will be of green. Text will be of yellow color. Top margin I have given 80 pixel space I have given from top. Left side space I have given 50 pixel, and link color I have kept blue, and active link color it is red, and visited link color it is cyan. See now. Heading 1 body attribute program. It is the heading body attribute program. And what is the color of heading? The color of heading will be of, it will be of, recently I have discussed only body color heading that we have already given. This is of V-link is cyan, it is red, it is blue, and it is body background color is green, text color is yellow. So body background attribute color will be of yellow. Afterward, AHREF. What do you mean by HREF? Hyperreference. Hyperreference, how we will display? We will write the address which page will be open on clicking on Montfort World School link. When I click on Montfort World School link, that page should be open. So I'll write in hyperreference http montfortworldschool.com, and I'll make the link Montfort World School Karnal website, and anchor tag will be closed, and BR will bring the cursor on next page or next line. So it will display the output Montfort World School Karnal website. When I click on that website link, it will open Montfort World School website. Afterwards, second link is, that is Google search engine website. See now, it is Google search engine website link. When I click on this link, it will go to the google.com. Third link is related to Gmail. When I click on this one, Gmail link will be open. See now, the first link is of which color? It is of cyan color. Cyan color is when it will happen? When we have already clicked on this link. After click, color is this. Red color will be there if it is ready to click. We have not clicked till now, and by default it is of blue color. Till now we have not visited the link. Till now we have not opened the link. Then it will be of blue color. Next part, HR attribute. HR attributes can be of many types. HR means to say horizontal rule attribute. Horizontal rule is a line that is drawn automatically when I use the HR tag. And so what is the size of line? What is the width of line? What is the color of line? Any shade is there? Or what is the alignment of line? It will start from left, right, or center position. So if anybody asks you, tell the attribute of HR attribute. So attribute of HR are size, width, color, no shade, and alignment. So we will discuss it one example. Title we have given a horizontal rule tag. In that paragraph I have written a normal horizontal rule line. Now see the output again. This is a basic structure, a horizontal rule line. Afterward I have written HR. HR will present a straight line. So straight line came just after written a normal horizontal rule line. HR draw a straight line. Afterward, again in paragraph I have written a horizontal rule line of 50 pixel. This message will be displayed. See now, this message has been displayed. Afterward, what I have done? I have given HR size is equal to 50. It means it will make a horizontal line of 50 size. This is the size 50 that is from starting to end. It is a 50 pixel size. Next is, afterward, next line. This is a green color line. This message will be displayed. This is a green color line. Again, I have made one more line. HR, color of that line is green. Width is 30% and color is green. See now. Color is green. It is 30% of full screen. It means 15% from left side, 15% from right side. It is in the center position. Next is BR, again next line. In next line it is written there is a no shade line. So the message will be displayed, there is a no shade line. Afterward, HR, again new lines created with no shade. No shade is attribute. So any shade will not be there, but line will be there. See now. Shade is not there, but line is present. It is a no shade attribute. It is a no shade. Afterward, this program gets complete. So in this session, we have studied about horizontal rule. We have studied about some basic concepts of HTML, what we can apply it in a HTML program. Next part is, what do you mean by comment? Comment is that part of area, that area of program that are not displayed in a browser window, that is not displayed in a output. And comments are used to explain the code of program, what you want to write. If you want to define the explanation, you can write in comment section. And comments help to edit the code very easily. And comments always will start with this sign, it will start with this sign, and it will end with this sign. So it is the program. See now, title comment program, title will be displayed on top. Afterward, in body I have written in comment section, comments can be inserted here. So this line will not be displayed in output, next line will be displayed in output. See now, next line is, this is a comment program, this line is displayed, but comment can be inserted here, it will not be shown in output because it is a comment. It is just for explanation of program. You can write anything, whatsoever you are writing in comment, that will not be displayed as a output. Next is header. There are 6 types of header. The largest header size, that is H1, and the smallest header size, it is H6. Header tag is basically, it is a container tag, it will start and close. See now, how will start H1? In H1 I have written header 1 tag, after I have closed H1. See the size of header 1, it is largest size. Afterward, second largest, third largest, fourth largest, fifth largest, and smallest. Smallest is H6 and largest is H1. Next is paragraph alignment. How to align a paragraph? For paragraph alignment, we can adjust the position. Data can be displayed in center position. It can be displayed in the right position. It can be displayed in the left position. We will understand through program now. See now, title is just basic thing. Paragraph alignment can be arranged by P present paragraph. Align present the position of paragraph, where it will be shown. It is displayed in center position and the message is center alignment data. Afterward, paragraph is closed. See now, center alignment data is displayed in center position automatically. If we do alignment in right position, it will display on right side right alignment data in output. And if we will display in left alignment, it will automatically adjust in the left alignment. It means in left position it will adjust. Next is basic text. Some basic text we are using, like bold is for B, I is for italic, U is for underline, pre is for predefined tag, INS is insert tag, DEL is delete tag, EM is for emphasize, and strong is for writing the highlighted part. Do it more stronger. It means highlight more. That is strong tag. Sub is for subscript, and SUP super is for superscript. And ABBR is abbreviation tag. We will discuss complete part in when we will take the lecture in class. So in today's session we have done some basic tags. We have done about comment section. We have done about HTML program. Thank you. Have a nice day for this session.